Good afternoon, students. Welcome in pharmacognosy practical. Today's I will start the experiment number 15, and title of today's practical is to study morphological characters of drug acting on central nervous system, that is CNS. Aconite, ashwagandha, and ephedra, and antitussive drugs are the tulsi and vasaka. Okay, CNS acting सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीम ॲक्ट होणारे ड्रग कोणते? ॲकनाईट, अश्वगंधा अँड इफेड्रा. अँड अँटीटेसिव्ह ड्रग्स आर तुलसी अँड वसाका. Then prior concepts, brain and spinal cord are two main portion of the CNS. The CNS is associated with all the voluntary actions and their coordination. Many of the responses are due to the proper coordination between the automatic and central nervous system. The site of action and antitussive drugs is pulmonary membrane that hasten or alerts expectations of it. These agents stimulate the expel the bronchial mucus and help in their removal. Then new concept proposition first. Morphological characters of the crude drugs are evaluated by the color, odor, taste, size, shape and special features like touch, texture, sound, etc. The study of the form of the crude drug is morphology, while description of the form is morphography. Then learning objectives, intellectual skill and motor skill. First is to develop the ability to identify crude drugs with the help of morphological characters. Then to identify some special features, if any. Then motor skill is ability to handle the crude drug for the observation. Then requirement of this experiment, apparatus, watch glasses, crude drugs, aconite, ashwagandha, ephedra, tulsi and vasaka. Now here are the diagram of aconite, then aconite root, ashwagandha root, then ashwagandha plant, ephedra, then tulsi plant and vasaka plant. Okay, then now see the stepwise procedure. First is the aconite. Synonym of aconite, moods, monkshood, then wolf bane, then friar's cowls, then mouse bane, aconite root, mithazahar in Hindi, then radix aconiti. Okay, then biological source of aconite. Aconite is a dried root of the Aconitum napellus lean, then collected from the wild or cultivated plants, and family is the Rhonucleaceae. Then macroscopy, organoleptic characters, color, odor, taste, size, shape and extra feature. Now see the first color. Which color of aconite? Dark brown. Then odor, slight, and taste, slight, causing tingling sensation, then followed by the numbness of the tongue. Then size, usually 4 to 10 centimeter in length and 1 to 3.5 centimeter in width. It is bowed towards the crown and tapering towards distal end. Then shape, conical and tapering. Then extra features, it is slightly twisted and deeply wrinkled. The border end of the root shows numerous rootlets and scars. Then chemical constituents, aconite contains 0.3 to 1.2% of the alkaloids which are terpene ester type. Then aconitin is the main alkaloid. Other alkaloids present in the drug are hypoconitin, then neopelin, nepelin and neolin. Then traces of the ephedrine and spartine are also present. The drug also contains aconitic acid and lot of starch. Then use. What is the use of aconite? Aconite is a cardiac effective. It is used externally as a local analgesic in the lineaments and to treat neuralgia. Then rheumatism and inflammation. Then tinctures aconite is antipyretic in small doses. Then aconitin in a small amount 2 to 3 mg can lead respiratory failure, heart failure and in the end death. So what is the use? Aconite is a cardiac effective. Then it is used externally as a local analgesic in a liniment and to treat neuralgia, then rheumatism and inflammation. Then tincture aconite is an antipyretic in a small doses. Aconitin in amount 2 to 3 mg can lead respiratory failure, heart failure, and in the end of death. Then next is these all are about the aconite. Then next drug is the ashwagandha. Firstly, see the synonym. What is the synonym of ashwagandha? Withania root, then ashwagandha and asgand, etc. Then biological source of ashwagandha, it consists of dried roots and stem bases of Withania somnifera and family is the Solanaceae. Then macroscopy, organoleptic characters, color, odor, taste, size, shape and extra features. Now see the color. Color of ashwagandha, buff to grey yellow in a color, stem bases are green, then odor strong, taste mucilaginous, bitter and acrid, then powder drug is a pungent and acidic in taste, then size 10 to 17.5 centimeter in length and 6 to 12 mm in diameter. Then shape straight, unbranched and conical. Then extra features, fiber like secondary roots are also present on the drug. The roots as well as stem bases are longitudinally wrinkled. Then nodes are prominent on the sides. Then where from the petioles arises, fractures is short and uneven. Then chemical constituents. First is the ashwagandha contains alkaloid and withanolides. Then the important alkaloids isolated are tropine, pseudotropine, hygrine, then coscohygrine, then anaferin, etc. Then last is the plant is a source of a steroidal lactones known as the withanolides such as vithaferin A and is regarded to have antibiotic and anti-tumor activities. Then last is the use. What is the use of ashwagandha? Ashwagandha is used as the hypotensive and depressant, and it is action on the smooth muscle and hence usually used in asthma and also as uterine sedative. Then it is used as a tonic and an anti-tumor drug. Then ashwagandha is considered as alternative, then aphrodisiac and narcotic and abortifacient. Okay, these all are about the ashwagandha. Okay, in today's practical we have discussed about the aconite and ashwagandha. The remaining three drugs, that is ephedra, tulsi and vasaka, we will discuss we will see in next lecture. Now I will stop here. Thank you.